Okay, this is going to be our focus street, this one right directly that way. And this is called Dihua Street. So we're basically on this kind of main pedestrian street. Tons and tons of people out here today, and tons of people eating as well. So we got all that, and it goes all the way down to that end. But what we're going to do is focus on that street right there. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, so let's go down our Target Street. Let me just kind of give you a little bit of a... There's all kinds of stuff going on around here. There's a little park over there. I think what we're going to do is kind of walk along the food area here real quick. That's going to give you a little bit of peripheral part. That's kind of cool. And we kind of have all kinds of interesting stuff. There's a Dihua post office right there. And these are just like kind of lines for some of the street food. Here's the post office. So we're basically at the base of Dihua post office. Oh no, that's the 1920s bookstore. That's interesting too. Then the post office is right here, I think. Just come over and take a look real quick. I saw that maybe the post office is down that way. Or it's right here, I think. Getting sidetracked off of the main one here. Is that the post office? Anyways, what we're gonna do is it's a lot of cool looking snacks. It's really interesting.
买这个给下一个就没差。
That one's really cool. He's doing kind of the same. Okay, so we're gonna do. Let's keep on walking down this way. And my focus is going to be down this little street that we're walking towards. That one over there. So I don't know, it's called 32 Lane Dihua Street. So I'm kind of new to Taipei, so I don't know exactly all the different stuff. But one thing I noticed is that there's a lot of these lanes. So it'd be like a main street called Dihua or whatever, and then a lane 32 and a lane this, lane that. With a long line. Let's see what this long line is for. Okay. There's some more over there too. Okay, so we're gonna come down our Target Street. So I guess these are all waiting in line just to eat at these restaurants. The food in Taipei is really good. So you got these long lines everywhere. Let's see. Oops, sorry. Hello. That looks good. Oh. Hello. Happy New Year. Okay, our street looks like it's... I was going to focus on the street. Let me see, Tori-san. I think we still can. But yeah, actually it's going to be... I was thinking it was going to go a lot further down than it does. But it doesn't mean it's not interesting. It's just kind of unexpected. But I think it's okay, so we'll get away from that crowd and give you an idea what it looks like just away from the crowd a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is just walk across to the street, basically. And we're just gonna just meander. And if I see anything like this, I'll take it. So I don't know what this is, but we're gonna just walk it anyways, because this is where we see all the really cool type of stuff, you know, Taipei stuff. That's a shrine. Just want to get totally lost, totally sidetracked. Everything is so neat and clean. Gonna keep going. That's the end. Cool. Hello plant. It's like so clean and organized. It's like a refrigerator. Yeah, I just want to get totally lost. Just like so lost, I don't even know where I am. That looks really cool. The more lost I get, the better the videos will be anyways. So if you're watching this one, that's my plan for the next, until I don't want to do it anymore. I'm just gonna get completely lost. See what kind of cool stuff we can come across. I think Taipei is going to be filled with it. Okay, let's just meander into some more streets and try to get lost a little bit. Okay, well, could go down that way, or it could go down this way. That way it looks pretty predictable. This way it looks kind of dark. There's like crowds of people right in here too. So I don't know if I can come out of here or not. I think I can. So let's see what this crowd is for. So they're all just coming to get the herbal tea. There's a whole herbal tea shop here. So yeah, that long line just for the herbal tea must be really good. Huh. There's some alleys down that way. Kind of want to try that, but I'm gonna go down this way. That's actually one of the things I like about this particular city. You just totally get lost in it, and it's pretty completely safe as far as I know. I think what we're gonna do is walk down the street. My main goal is I just want to get totally lost, like just like a lost. I'm so lost. I have no idea where I am. So I think that's like gonna be one of the main goals. Okay. If I was gonna get lost, which way would I go? I guess we'll go this way. Actually, the problem with this way is that the stores are kind of empty. So I think what we're gonna have to do is try to go to the left or to the right. Try to find the best way to get lost. Or what I'll do is I see a rabbit, and it is the year of the rabbit. So I think I'm gonna go to that year of the rabbit. And then we're gonna end this video, and then We'll label it lost in such and such an area. And then we're gonna do another one where we totally try to get lost. You can see, these are all the firecracker remnants right there. Let's see if we can run across real quick. I just want to get over to those rabbits. There we go. So Year the Rabbit. Get lost in the rabbit hole of 2023. Okay. So 2023, Year the Rabbit. And we're getting it right there. That was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking on the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.
Toma cuidado la